Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about some intraday or even a positional strategy here using the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. How I can started making trading using that RSI that I'm going to discuss here, and also I'm going to help you to make the scanner for the same, and lot of requests about this strategy. That's why I'm creating the video again in the same strategy, the same method which I made money of around 8,000 rupees today in option trading. So I was planning to trade in mostly options. I'm not taking any futures trade. Most of the time I was doing in options only. So mostly it is a buying options. Alright. So here this trade which I find out based on the RSI, the bottom reversal and also the top reversal. So but this trade which I have taken based on my the RSI where it is back above the 30 level. So that the simple method where giving you such a great result on intraday as well as positional. So that is I'm going to discuss here and now. So if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So let's see that in this particular thing, this particular chart of the Laros lab. So where I find out the trade opportunity today. So there is a big candle today it forms, and but if you see that there is a market is previously it is perfect downtrend. So there is a opportunity. The stock was the bottom. This is what a bottom. So where the stock finding the bottom. So where we are finding out using the RSI to get the bottom level buy at bottom like that. So what is the logic which I used for this trade? The previous RSI should be trading below 30. So you got it? The RSI level, this is what the 30, and just go for that RSI. So let's understand what is RSI. So RSI above 70 may be overbought, or RSI below 30 may be oversold, like that. Okay, so here I'm using RSI 14 period RSI where the previous RSI must be below 30 and current RSI where it is crossed above 30.2. So if you are using 30, so there will be a confusion. That's why I'm using 30.2. The previous RSI trading below 30 and current RSI if it is crossed above 30.2. So there I'm focusing for a reversal trade. So that happened today almost here and market went up huge. Based on that I was taking a 450 call option and I am booking around 8,000 rupees on this particular transaction. Based on this simple concept which will provide me a lot of comfort where I am going to buy the position at the lowest level. And previous trade where you check that only I'm focusing RSI. So there is a trade where market is previously downtrend and the day where market is reaching that RSI, previous RSI, this particular day RSI is around 30.9. The next day RSI, this particular day on 28th September, the RSI was around 29.16. The next day RSI crossed 33.26, and after that the market moves slightly higher and it gives you such a good result. And again there is another trade opportunity which present based on the concept. This is the day where RSI crossing above 30. Previously it was trading below 30, and this time from 553, 564 and 577. The same today that has happened in the same stock, which is happening by previous RSI was somewhere around 21.67. So you can see the RSI value at this point. Okay. So the RSI which is trading below 21 and today it reaches above 36.94. Just a second. Okay, the concept is very clear. It is recovering from the lower level, so there is a chances to make such a buy opportunity at very lowest level. That is what the main key where I am following with this particular chart pattern. So that was giving you opportunity around it started by 453 and it moves up to 490 for today itself. Based on that, I was taken the trade opportunity in that particular option around 450 call option. Can you see that the 450 call option where I was taken around somewhere 33 and exited with 42. So near about 10 points with the lot size of around 9,900. So we booked around somewhere 8,280 rupees profit. This is what the trade which I done based on this concept. So how we can create this concept in our charting? So that is what important. So wherever you can see, previously the market is not coming down below the 30 level. So it is keep on going up. So if you want to check any stocks, you can let's see when this pattern, which is very useful when the market is bottom. When the market is trading very least level, there is a good opportunity to buy at a lowest level. So that may giving you such a great opportunity where you can find out. So let we create that code on our charting. I think I have already created the same code. So we will go for a charting scanner creator, and I'm going to find out this for a future stock. And so the latest RSI should be RSI. The latest RSI should be crossed above, because it must be crossed above number 30.2. So I'm going to take 30.2. If you are doing that, we get a lot of stocks. See, can you see that the Laras Lab will getting it? And another important thing which we are going to find out here, the RSI of previous day. RSI, that means one day ago the RSI should below less than the number, that means 30. So you will see that will the stock. So this is the way where we can find out such a lowest level reversal stock. So this will not hide you. This will not what we say, some patterns may hidden after that stop loss trigger, but this will not trigger because it is a purely the based on the RSI. Whenever RSI is backs above from 30 backs crossed above 30.2, that previous day should be below 30, so that will find out the particular thing. So Laras Lab, so can you able to see that? So this was happening. So if you want to check because it is a closing of the day, we are going to find out that now the RSI is more than 36. But when you see, whenever the market is starting at this point of 459 460, so you will be finding out that the RSI is crossing or not. So when this scanner and this will alert you what are the stock which is crossing above the RSI 30.2, but the previous RSI must be below the thing. So now I can do I can save the scan RSI. RSI buy daily. This is a real-time scanner you can use on a real time. So it is not a EOD scanner, it is a real-time scanner. When you see the some stock which is forming this kind of pattern, so if the stock which forms a open low like that, means even more powerful, the stock can reverse. And you see the lot of stocks on yesterday, how many stocks? Hindustan Unilever, Star and Alchem Laboratories. Let's go for Alchem Laboratories. What happened? So this is not a right start. Alchem, I think Alchem also increased more. Yes, yesterday the Alchem previous day the RSI was 29.7, and the next day Alchem started by 3540 and it went up to 3673. And the second stock, which is Star also performing well on yesterday. Seen that stock, it is moving good. There is a stock which is Star, which forms a 593 to 493 to 5112. And finally Hindustan Unilever. What happened in Hindustan Unilever? Let's see, there's a small movement from 2388 to 2413, and again that reversal may continues. Can you see that yesterday it is 2388, now it is 2430. It is slightly moving higher, and Star also it's moving higher. Yes, compared to previous day it is having higher value. And Alchem, that is also working good, and compared to previous close today it moved well. And some other stock on day before, so we didn't get, and we got around 8th of November, HDFC AMC. Let's see HDFC AMC, HDFC AMC. So the method where it's simple and what is that there here this point 8th November around 2663, next day it have 72 and 88, almost 2699. Within a 2 days it gives you such a good amount, so where we can plan a positional trade within 1 or 2 days holding like that, or even we can trade with the options. That will give you such a great opportunity where you are going to make such a good amount of money using this method, right? So that is at the scanner RSI buy daily. So today Laras lab, and again I show you the profit where I made in this method. So that was around 33.45 and 42.3 and 8,250. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.